Welcome, today in front of me OPPO A94, and I'll show you how to turn on Google Assistant on this device. So first we should launch the Google application, and after that tap on the right down corner, then click here to the settings and tap to Google Assistant. But first be sure that you are logged in into the Google account. After that, scroll down here to the general options, and to activate Google Assistant we should click here only once on the switcher, and after that just confirm our actions by click to turn on, and that's it. Now Google Assistant successfully activated. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.